Hello, this is the Isolation Cooking Club and I'm Simon Brown. And together, in easy steps, we're going to get you cooking. This video is about a simple way to peel and chop an onion with no tears. First of all, you need to make sure you're using the right size and shape of knife. For more on that, have a look at the Isolation Cooking Club video on how to make sure your knife cuts the mustard. Now the first thing I'm going to do is cut off the top of the onion, but I'm not going to cut the root off. And the reason is that most of the oil in an onion is at the root, and it's that makes you cry. So if you cut that off at the beginning, the tears come. So take hold of the onion with your left hand or right hand, if you're left-handed, and then just gently slice through with the knife so that you cut off the top of the onion. Now what you need to do is peel it. Now take it in your hand as if it's an apple and you're going to take a bite, and then what I'm going to do is put the blade of the knife just under that edge and peel off the onion peel. Now you're not cutting, you're just flicking it under the edge to peel off that peel. It should peel away nice and easily. So again, just put the blade under the edge of the peel and peel that backwards. Now having got all that off, what you need to do is cut the onion in half. So take hold of it to make a U with your fingers, and then what I'm going to do is put the knife in at the top so it's well away from my hands, and just slide the knife straight down through the onion onto the board. So now we've chopped the onion in two. Okay, now you need to take each half of the onion. What we're going to do is hold it at one side with your fingers well away from where you're going to be cutting, and you take your knife and you're just going to slice almost to the top of the onion. And you can see I'm not going all the way through the onion. Can you see how I'm leaving it attached at the top here? So just keep slicing through. Just put the knife onto the onion and then gently push down, and that means that you're not in danger of cutting your fingers. And when you get to the last bit, just turn it round and just reverse that. Do that the other way. So you're always cutting away from yourself. And then turn the onion a quarter turn. So we've been slicing this way, now we turn it back that way. And all I'm going to do, again, keep your fingers well out of the way of the blade, just gently push down with the blade, and you'll find that you've chopped the onion. Now when you get to the end, hold on to the root, because the root, of course, is the bit we're going to throw away at the end. When you're done, there's the root, that goes away, chopped onion, and no tears. This is the Isolation Cooking Club. It's about getting you cooking, and together we can do this.